In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect hosting a domain to Google Workspace. If you're using Hostinger for your domain and want professional email and collaboration tools under that domain, this walkthrough will get you started the right way. To begin, open your browser and go to the official Google Workspace website. You can use the global site or your local version. The setup flow is the same. Landing on the homepage ensures you're starting from the most up-to-date onboarding experience. Next, click Start Free Trial. This begins the guided setup without charging you immediately, so you can explore the features and make sure everything fits your needs. If you're asked to pick a plan, choose the one that matches your business. You can usually adjust later. You may be prompted to sign in with a Google account to continue the trial setup. When you reach the business details section, enter your business name. This is the name that will appear across your admin console and, in some places, in communications. Take a moment to make sure it's accurate and spelled correctly. You'll likely see a question about the number of employees or users. Select the option that best reflects your current team size. It helps Google pre-configure your environment, and you can always add or remove users later. After that, type your contact information. This typically includes your name and a current email address that you can access right away. Use an inbox you monitor frequently, since Google will send important account messages there. Double-check everything, correct contact details, make account recovery, and support much smoother. When you're asked how you want to set up your email, choose the option to set up using your existing domain. This tells Google that you already own a domain and that you don't need to purchase a new one through Google. It's the key step that aligns Google Workspace with your hosting your registered domain. Finally, add your hosting a domain. Enter it in plain form, just the domain name without www, then confirm. Check the spelling carefully, especially if your domain includes hyphens or uncommon characters. Providing the exact domain here ensures Google links the Workspace account to the right web address for your future email addresses. That's it for the initial connection. You've reached the point where Google recognizes you're hosting a domain and can guide you through the remaining configuration. In the next phase, within the same guided flow, you'll follow on-screen prompts to continue your setup. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need to confirm the details.